Hi there. In this guide, we'll show you how to add context to your Taskade Genesis apps. Context helps AI understand what you're building, your business, your data, your preferences. The more context you provide, the more relevant your app becomes. Here's an example. We built this inventory dashboard earlier. It tracks stock levels, suppliers, and orders. Want to use this layout as a reference for something new? Simply take a screenshot. Now, we can start building. We're going to use one of the predefined prompts to create a wedding planner dashboard. But before we hit generate, let's add a note for Taskade Genesis to use the screenshot we just took as the visual reference. This tells AI to overall style and layout of the inventory dashboard in the new app. Drag the screenshot directly into the prompt box. Genesis will use it as a visual reference when building the app. Here's the result: a wedding planner dashboard with a similar style to what we started with. The new dashboard has tabs for different sections: clients, vendors. It also includes some data samples to get you started. But context isn't just for the initial build. You can also add it later to customize your apps. Let's say you want to quickly add new clients to the dashboard. Head to the Media tab, drag and drop a spreadsheet, in this case a list of new wedding clients. The file is now uploaded and ready to use. Head back to the preview and open the chat. Prompt Genesis to load a list of clients from the spreadsheet. Now, choose the Add from Workspace in the chat dropdown and pick the spreadsheet from the list. AI will read the file and add the clients to the app. That's how context works in Taskade Genesis. Use screenshots for visual references, upload files for data, add details in your prompts to guide the build. The more context you give, the better the result.